Okay.
Say action.
Action.
Experiment number 2. Take 2. Scene 2.
Go. Put them all in there at once, Mackenzie.
I'm Mackenzie, and I'm going to make a soda geyser. Isabel, count me down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. Don't
Well,
worry, everyone.
just put the lid on and well, it's going, Mackenzie.
Now that's a geyser.
Didn't shoot up at all.
Okay.
Isabel.
I got it. No. Oh yeah! Back alert! Let's do that again, Bob.
I'm filming. Go. See if you can get the lid all the way off, even though it sprays you. Ready? Ready, and twist, hurry.
Oh, I'm sorry, everyone.
All right, that's good enough. That's enough, guys. All right,
Such a
say
great
bye.
Bye. Bye.
We'll have to do different ones. Hurry up, the bugs are bad.
All right.
Nope, we're done.
much.
We're
Go
dead.
ahead.
Okay,
Well,
say bye.
Bye.
Say bye,
Bye.
Isabel.